Okay, here's a nice example of a scarf joint from an Egyptian merchantman from, I guess, 100 BC. 400 tons capacity, they figured, loaded with wine. Just an intricate puzzle of parts and pieces, joints and wedges or cokes, all put together to basically hold itself in place without fastenings. Let's take a look how this one goes. The entire puzzle is held together with these wedges. They're driven in opposition from one another. One from one side, one from the other side, linking it all as a solid piece.
And you know, the other thing the viewer should keep in mind is that not only the engineering that goes into it, but you know, the tools they had back then, you know, the hand tools they had to be able to create joinery like this. Just amazing.
Well, it's just amazing, but it's more amazing when we take it apart, because it's not just flat joints inside. Okay, so what we have here is a setup that you would use, let's say if you were scarfing up wood to make a laminated mast. We have our wood actually stacked in steps right here. And because this wood is 3/4 of an inch thick, the offset is every 9 inches. And you can see a line right here. And you could keep right on going, do as much as what you need to have. And what we're going to do is we simply are going to go and plane a ramp into this. Nothing more fancy than that. We're going to use a power plane to do that, finish it off with a hand plane. We're going to check it with a straight edge. And when it's there, it's there. And it's kind of very forgiving, because if it's 12.1 to 1 or 11.99 to 1, it doesn't matter, because all the layers are all work together at the same time, so they'll all fit together. So what we're going to be doing is using probably one of your least favorite tools, or at least the loudest, is a hand power plane. Something that you really want to have your glasses on, and protective glasses, and your earmuffs. And what we're going to start off with is just knocking off the corners of our steps and then working it down and down and down.